Hey there, grill enthusiasts. Today we're excited to announce a brand new mod for your Traeger grills, the Tactical Stainless Folding Front Shelf. This American-made beauty is designed specifically for your Traeger Pro 575 as well as your Pro 22 models. And trust me, it's gonna make your grilling experience more functional and stylish than ever before. Now let's check it out. As you can see, this shelf is crafted from high quality 304 stainless steel, meaning it's built to last. And at nearly 20% larger than your standard shelf, it gives you more space to prep, serve, and keep all your grilling essentials handy. But what really sets this apart is its tactical customization. You can add storage trays on the left or right side, each with a beer cup holder, perfect for when you need both hands free. Or perhaps opt for the utensil hangers for easy access to your tools. Or how about an awesome paper towel butcher paper holder with a convenient tear-off feature. And the best part, installation is super easy. No cutting, no drilling, just bolt it on using the existing front shelf mounts and you'll be ready to go in about 5 minutes. If you're looking to upgrade your Traeger with a durable, versatile, and an American-made mod, then the Tactical Stainless Folding Front Shelf is for you. Visit pimpmygrill.com or click the link below to order yours today. Now don't forget to like and subscribe for more barbecue mods, and thanks for watching.